Okay, let us solve a quadratic equation by actually sketching the quadratic equation using Microsoft Excel. So this is the Excel software, so in which I have drawn the graph of y equal x square. So y equal x square graph look like a U shape. The graph shape is decided by the value of a. If the value of a is positive, it will look like a U shape. In case if the value of a is negative, let's take a look at it. The graph become like an inverted U or like a hill shape. So positive a is like a U shape, and negative a become like a hill shape, and a cannot be 0. If a is 0, you will just get a straight line. You don't get anything, rather you get a straight line. So let's make a as 1 now. This is the value of a. So if I increase the value of a now to 2, you take a look at the graph, and then I increase it to 3. So the graph become too thin, the curve become too thin. It become thinner and thinner when I increase the value of a. So let me bring it back to 1 now. How about value of b? I make the value of b as number 2. So this is the graph of x square plus 2x. So this graph intersect the x-axis at 2 points. One is x equal minus 2, another one is x equal 0. These two are the roots of the equation x square plus 2x equal 0. Now, for example, if I increase here to 3, see what happens. So the roots become minus 3 and 0. 4, minus 4 and 0. Now let me bring it back to 2 now. So the roots are minus 2 and 0. So if I can increase the c value now to number 1, so you can the whole graph goes up by 1 unit. Now it doesn't intersect at 2 places, rather it does intersect only at 1 place. So there is a value of x equal minus 1. So this quadratic curve has got repeated roots, and both roots are x equal minus 1. If I increase the c value to number 2, the whole graph shifted up. Oh, it jumps to 5, or rather to 4 here. Okay, so let's take a look at it now. Okay, to bring it to number 2. So this is x square plus 2x plus 2. So the curve go up by certain points. It doesn't intersect the x-axis, so it doesn't have any real roots. No real roots for this curve. Okay, so you know the value of a. How does it work? Let's just recap them. If a is positive, it would be a U shape. If a is negative, it would be an inverted U shape. Let's make a to positive. Right? Okay, so a to 1 now. And the b value, when you change it to another number, let's say b equal 4, it intersects the x-axis in 2 places. One is minus 4, another one is 0. So when you change the c value, it is like shifting the curve up or down. The whole curve goes up or goes down. So c is actually the y-intercept value. So you can see now the y-intercept value is minus 2 because the c value is minus 2. Please subscribe to our channel youtube.com/EasyElearn channel.